Lesson number 3. What can Celo dollars do? Price volatility can be one of the main obstacles for people like Zoe who are thinking about adopting cryptocurrencies. For cryptocurrencies to be practical for day-to-day use, users need to know that the value of the crypto they sent is exactly what will be received. Existing stablecoins aim to solve these problems, but some can have slow networks, usability issues, and high barriers to entry for the average user. This is where the Celo platform is different. Built specifically with ease of use and accessibility in mind, Celo dollars allow Zoe to make use of a stablecoin that is practical and cost-efficient for many day-to-day use cases, and can be accessed from the convenience of her mobile phone. Like other stablecoins, Celo dollars reduce volatility risk for everyday people like Zoe by following the price of the US dollar. But since the Celo platform is built to be mobile-first, Zoe can transact with Celo dollars on any mobile phone using an application that is compatible with Celo. One example is Valora, a global payments app that allows Zoe to easily pay, send, and store Celo dollars on her mobile phone. Valora makes use of the full functionality of Celo dollars in the Celo platform, allowing Zoe to send or receive funds from anywhere in the world within seconds, securely, and with very low fees. With traditional international payments, Zoe might have to wait hours or even days as intermediaries process the transfer, incurring many fees along the way. As Celo is digital and doesn't rely on payments being manually processed, transferring funds essentially becomes borderless and instant. Zoe can send funds directly to anyone, anywhere within seconds, just by using their phone number. This works even if the recipient doesn't have a crypto wallet. This is great for Zoe, since she needs to send funds to her mom in Mexico right away. Since Valora is a mobile app, all Zoe needs to do is download and set it up, top up her balance with the required value, and enter her mom's mobile number to be able to send the payment. Once Zoe sends the funds, her mom will get a text message letting her know that she's received a payment. Zoe's mom, who is new to using cryptocurrencies, can use the provided link to download the Valora app and claim the 100 Celo dollars that Zoe sent. Amazingly, all of this happens in a decentralized way, using smart contracts that live on the Celo platform. Celo dollars were designed to help unlock the benefits of stablecoins and cryptocurrencies, and sending money across borders is just one of the uses that Celo dollars can fulfill for Zoe and her mom quickly and directly. Alongside the Celo native asset and the family of applications built on top of the platform, Celo's ultimate goal is to innovate around the way we use money, making it borderless, easy to use, and accessible for all.